We really need to hire some more people around here. What are you going to do? Employee A: I don't know. My boss said I have to finish the budget analysis by Friday, but he just gave me a new project that he needs completed right away. Employee B: Well, if I were you, I'd tell your boss that there's no way you can finish both in time. I'd ask for more time. Employee A: Yeah, I guess I could do that. Employee B: Or maybe you can ask your boss to assign the project to someone else. That way you can focus on the budget analysis. Employee B offers two possible solutions to employee A's problems. Describe the problem, and state which of the two solutions you prefer. Explain why. 4. Core concept. Speaking 119 sample responses to drill number 1. Read the following responses and practice speaking them aloud. 1. If I could have any job, I think that I would like to be an ambassador. I think this because I enjoy visiting other countries and meeting and interacting with other people. 2. One person whom I admire very much is Mohandas Gandhi. I admire him for many reasons, especially his strong sense of justice and rightness. 3. In my opinion, the university should spend its money on the library. I think this because a university should be an institution of learning and a good library is essential to that. 4. The passage states that the problem is the poisonous cane toad. The toad is threatening many of the species in Australia. 5. The problem the employee has is that he or she cannot finish his or her work on time. In my opinion, the better solution is to ask the boss to assign the project to someone else. I think this because it is better to get the work done on time than to extend the deadline. Summary. Stating your purpose. Your introduction is the first chance you have to make a good impression on your listener, so make it solid. Since you won't have much time to give your spoken response, make your introduction quick and concise. The 3 points you need to convey in your introduction are as follows. 1. Purpose, your task. 2. Thesis, your topic. The thesis is basically a statement of your position or belief on a topic or your main idea. It will be slightly different based on what you are trying to accomplish in your spoken response. 3. Why. After introducing the topic, state why you are discussing it. The answer to this why question should relate back to the purpose. In your introduction, don't go into specific details about your examples. You'll get to those later in the body of your speech. Also, avoid repeating the prompt word for word. 120 Cracking the TOEFL IBT Part 2. Organizing your ideas before you begin speaking. Take a few seconds to think about how you will organize your response. Make sure to follow the same guidelines that you saw in the reading passages. You should include the following in every spoken response. Introduction. State your purpose, which is what we practiced earlier. Body. Take the majority of your time to give examples and details which refer back to your purpose. We will focus next on the body of your response. Conclusion. Finally, summarize your thoughts. We will take a look at conclusions toward the end of this chapter. Developing body paragraphs. When speaking, everything you learned about body paragraphs in the reading section applies to speaking. Body paragraphs are the place where the author, or speaker, develops his or her ideas. While the introduction states the purpose, the body paragraphs provide specific details to support that purpose. Note that your responses on the speaking section will be only 45 or 60 seconds, which means you will have a limited amount of time to develop your body paragraphs. Articulating your body paragraph. As we've seen from the reading exercises, the body paragraphs are where an author attempts to accomplish his or her purpose by presenting facts, arguments, and evidence. A good body paragraph contains the following elements. 1. A topic sentence that introduces the main point of the paragraph. 2. Examples, facts, and evidence that help the author achieve his or her purpose. Step 1. Provide a topic sentence. A good topic sentence does two things. It provides a transition between ideas and clearly states the main idea of the paragraph. Let's look back at the introduction we established before. I think the most important job I've had was working at a library. I believe this because I met many interesting people at this job. 4. Core concept. Speaking 121 now. Each spoken body paragraph should begin with a topic sentence that supports your introduction. Therefore, a good topic sentence for the first body paragraph might be this one. Working at the library was my most important job because I met Professor Martin, who has become my advisor this semester. The topic sentence is introducing your idea. The job was important because you met Professor Martin, and then the rest of your body paragraph will give details that support your example. Perhaps Professor Martin convinced you to change your